Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making a quick lunch. So we are going to make a fried rice today. I don't think I've really ever made a fried rice before, but I kind of just guessed what would go in it. We have some old rice. I know you're supposed to use like day-old rice. So I have some rice here, and I just grabbed whatever I thought I've seen Mark use. So there's sesame oil, we have oil of course, soy sauce, some kimchi, a little bit of garlic, eggs, butter, and then we already have these green onions already chopped up. So let's get the pan heated first. Now I've seen recipes where people like do the egg first, but I think I'm gonna make everything and then make kind of like a well and then put the egg in and then cook it last. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. But I think what I'm gonna start off with is maybe the kimchi. Yeah, let's do the kimchi first. So I think this is fermented. I know I'm probably supposed to chop it up and stuff, but I don't know if I got time for that. We're just gonna get a little cook on the kimchi. Let's take a bite first. Ooh, she's sour. You can never have too much kimchi though. I do have Spam, but again, I just didn't want to add another component. I grabbed butter because like what fried rice isn't good without butter, especially when you go to what are those places called? Like the Benihana's, Hibachi. They always have that mound of like a mountain of butter and then they just slather it on. It makes it so good. Off to the edge here, and let's add a little bit of, I'm gonna do a little bit of butter and garlic for now. Maybe I shouldn't say a little because I usually add more than I need to, but it's okay. I'm gonna use the Kerrygold here. Kimchi butter, fantastic combination. Garlic already. Always super convenient to have on hand. That's a lot actually. That's just like that. No, doesn't that look good? Okay, I'm gonna add my rice very soon so the garlic doesn't burn. Now, if you know why you're supposed to use like day-old rice, let me know. I don't know why, but that's what they always say. I might have to add a little bit of water too, just to get it back to its former glory here. So let me just add a little bit of water. Oh, she's hard. She's hard. A spoon. Okay, well, hopefully this will break down some more. Maybe I should have microwaved it a little bit first. Oh, there, I'll move from this side, so I'm just gonna break it apart as much as I can. Woo! Get my arm workout in. There we go. Once we break it off, it'll have more surface area touching and it'll break off better. Yeah, this will end up being a good portion for one person. Now I'm wondering if I need 2 eggs, but more eggs the better. I guess since I'm not having other protein, it's fine. Oh! This thing Hetty just got here too, so let me give him a treat and distract him. Have to bribe Hetty to go away. Hetty, sit. Sit. Good boy. Go. Well, that reduced some of the carbs. 3-second rule, I try to avoid doing that, but Literally everything that could go wrong in today's video is the tank went out. Give me a second. You know what? We're gonna move it over here, mamas. Boom. Sorry about it. Oh, you gonna blow up my face now or what? Oh! Girl. Alright. Okay, it's starting to get a little bit, I just need to be careful when I break the rice up a little bit. There we go. You can't tell, but they're like, or you can, they're still a little bit nugget form, so I don't want that. I want nice, smooth, velvety rice. So let me just add a little bit more butter here. Butter makes things better, right? This might be called butter fried rice at this point. Okay. Air purifier is going off. There we go. Take a breather. I can watch you, I can feel you breathe, watching over me. Suddenly I'm melting into you. Baby, isn't that the way the love's supposed to be? God, I was like paranoid for a second. I accidentally used like Perilla oil on accident. Okay, a little sesame oil, a little soy sauce. I don't need that much because look at this batch. It's so small. I'm just gonna break down things some more. All right, there we go. I think the juices from the kimchi is like helping the rice get softened up a bit. I still gotta add an egg. Don't make sure I don't forget to add the egg because that's what I'm most looking forward to. Oh, she know how to cook. She know how to cook. Oh, that was delicious, that little bite. All right, I think we're good to add the egg. I'm gonna add two because I grabbed one from the cart that we're supposed to throw out and then one from the new one, but now I don't remember which one's which. I guess I could look at the eggs, but it's fine. So let's make a small well in the middle already. Woo. And one egg. Two eggs. Look at that. Okay, we're just gonna put the egg in the center. Get it all nice and cool. I'm looking over there like, what else did I miss? But I think all I need is to top it off with the green onion. And we will be good to go. Look at this. Has a staff meeting today, so he's already eating Panera, but I'll take a picture of this and send it to him. All right, so now that I made that, you kind of just fold it all in like that. Ooh, turn off the heat actually. I'm reusing the plate from the morning because I don't want to make more dishes. I'm just gonna eat it all. Just like the other day when I did ravioli. Oh, look at that. There's always like some kind of sesame seed also added. We have a little bit of this nori. Is it open yet? It is open. We'll just add a little bit. Girl. Go, my restaurant's about to open. Look at this. What? me make this. Wow. Oh, this is the thumbnail right here. Mmm. How did I made this? I made this. Wow. I feel like I should just leave a little bit so that Mark can taste this. Because I don't know if I'll ever make this again. Yeah, let me get a little Tupperware for him. Also, that way I don't eat so much. This is just pure carbs. That's okay. What did I have for breakfast? I just had a hash brown for breakfast, so. All right, you can try this much. I don't want to give him too much because he's been trying to cut out carbs. I don't want to be a bad influence. Just real quick, look at Hadu. Oh, Hadu. He's like, I want fried rice. I know. Ooh. Mmm. Kimchi is perfect in this. I don't know, there's something satisfying when you make your own food and it tastes good. This could also be because we had fried rice, like frozen fried rice from Trader Joe's. I don't know if that video will be out by the time you see this, but sorely disappointed in it. Yummy. Woo. Oh yeah. I don't have much to say right now aside from the fact that this is good. Mm. Admittedly, I don't really like Vietnamese fried rice. I know I feel like a traitor saying that, but growing up, it just was not one of my favorite fried rice. There was something about the texture of it. I felt like it was usually more on the dry side. I haven't had it in a while to know if I like it now, but I just remember not enjoying fried rice too much as a kid. All right, well, aside from that little mishap earlier, overall, super successful dish. I think if we ever have day-old rice, which we actually often do, but sadly we don't get around to it, like making it, I know I can go and make this dish again if I had to. Because again, I didn't follow a recipe, I was just like, woo, and it came out this way. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you next time. Bye.